Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaway. We have our new beauty test tube spring box that we're going to be unboxing and giving away one of the items to one of you, so keep on watching. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. This one is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one, as well as like my Ipsy giveaways I've got going on there as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Adriana Nicole Cosmetics Warm Neutrals Palette. And it kind of looks like this. Very, very pretty and fun. So the new beauty test tube, it mainly features skincare, hair care products. Every once in a while there will be a makeup item in there. And there's always the New Beauty Quarterly magazine in there as well. This is their 20-year anniversary box. From Desi Skin is a Do Me Over Mist. It does retail for $39. It's a hydrating facial mist that preps skin before makeup. Set it after and refreshes throughout the day for a natural dewy finish without feeling greasy or causing makeup to run. You know, I really like the Good Molecules brand. It reminds me a lot of the Ordinary List. Just really good for you, simple ingredients. This is the 1% retinol night oil, retails for $12. It's powered by 1% potent retinol in a base of plum oil. This nourishing treatment goes to work while you sleep to improve the look of fine lines, wrinkles, lack of elasticity, and uneven skin tones. I use, just because that's all my skin can handle, retinol every other night. Here's a brand that's been showing up in a different subscription box that I get. This is NewBeauty Skincare Niacinamide Biopeptide Serum. It does retail for $30. Reveal the most glowing, radiant complexion. Well, the synergistic combination of concentrated niacinamide and cranberry extracts, rich in antioxidants and biopeptides, a true superfood for your skin. This innovative multi-action formula promotes anti-aging results, including improved skin hydration, tone, texture, fine lines, and overall brightening. From the Cogen Dew Spa Cleansing Water Cloth. Cleansing cloth soaked in mineral-rich SPA water and botanical extracts melt away dirt, oil, and even waterproof makeup in one sweep, leaving skin fresh, soft, and never tight. This does retail for $27 for that. From Gloss Modern is a clean luxury hair mask, 100 milliliter Soleil. It does retail for $55. I'm in need of a good hair mask. Leave dry strands in the past using this shine-inducing hair mask, which is fragranced, not happy about that, with clean luxury perfume oils created by the brand's historic European fragrance house. From Thrive Cosmetics is a Brilliant Eye Brightener in Cali. This versatile cream to powder highlighter and eyeshadow stick illuminates, awakens the eyes, providing instant lift with a soft wash of color. And here's what she looks like. From Juice Plus is a superfood powder, retails for $109. Here's what kind of drives me crazy about these brands, about these boxes, is they sell you on the skincare and the hair care and the makeup and beauty items, and then they throw in supplements. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the supplement. I don't know. I've never heard of it. I've never tried it. I don't really do a whole lot of supplements. But they put the high-powered items in there trying to make up for the cost of maybe some of the other items in your box not being as high, if that makes any sense. So it's created using the highest quality fruits, berries, and vegetables. This nutrient-dense powder contains a wide range of superfoods, including arachidonic cherry, spinach, and beetroot. This core blend is backed by 20 published studies which is good. That shows significant increase in blood levels of polyphenols and micronutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, and folate. From Privé Products is a finishing texture spray or finishing hairspray. It does retail for $25. This finishing texture spray builds instant volume and separation for effortlessly tousled curls and waves. It adds lightweight lift, grip, and structure to hold braids, updos, and layers easily without buildup. Two supplements in one box. This is the Viscal Hair Growth Supplement. It does retail for $25. Viscal hair growth supplements are clinically proven to support thicker, fuller, and healthier looking hair. Backed by over 30 years of research, the nourishing, thinning hair, which I obviously don't have, from within to help reduce shedding, which I do have a lot of shedding, and promote natural growth in women experiencing hair thinning due to stress, hormonal changes, or aging. From Color Street Citrus Sunshine Nail Strips, retail for $14. Color Street's patent nail strips are made with real nail polish that apply in seconds, doesn't require tools, and are immediately dry to the touch. The citrus shade is an exclusive to NewBeauty. It's a really fun shade. I really do like that shade. What do I think of the box? There's some okay product. Nothing in here wowed me. I was highly disappointed in the supplements. I guess that's kind of where I stand. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word of the day is healing. So as many of you know, I've been on kind of this like not healthy kick lately, in and out of hospitals, ERs, and I've been back since the last time I talked to you, and it's been a mess. They still have not figured out what is going on with me. They know something is because all my stats and labs aren't good, but they don't know what yet, and it's really frustrating. So secret word of the day is healing. Is to give away the strips to one of you guys. I do really like strips. I like using them. Here's my problem with strips is I have a trimmer in my left hand. Okay, but it's a familiar trimmer, so it's benign. There's nothing really bad about it, but it makes putting on strips really challenging for me. So let's give away this to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and also that secret word. Now you only fill out the form once, but you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is, like I said, you fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entry items. Only mark on it if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your number one way is if you follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. It really helps the channel grow when you guys do that, and I wanted a way to say thank you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have the giveaway go through April 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take first name, first initial of the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!